Assalamu alaikum viewers, I'm Mohammad Asad Khan and I'm delivering my Excel lesson number 14 on linking Excel worksheet table with Word document or file. So coming to the data sheet, I'm using the data of my previous session, session number 13, and because you're familiar with it, so it would be easier for you to work on it. So again, I will start with a short story that your management or your boss or your client, he or she wants to have a brief report in writing on the data. So this is your basically data. Why I've picked this data and why I'm again and again using it, because this is the most common data which we use in our household, and you can simply change the items, these keywords, or you can change the main data items with other items, like it can be civil engineering items, it can be procurement items of civil engineering, or it can be accounting entries, or it can be anything else. The sky is the limit. So this is basically the data, mock data, which is made for your for the common understanding of the viewers. So whenever I deliver my session on this data, I always request that please don't restrict yourself to this data. Learn the tools, and these tools can be applied on any data. The data which can go up to around more than 1 million rows and plus 16,000 plus columns. So coming back to my topic, I will I have already made a Word document file in the same folder on which I am saving, see, YouTube Excel lessons. So I am basically saving all the Excel documents and my videos in this folder. So here you can see that Excel lesson 14, the Word document, has been saved, and it is beneath this Excel lesson 14, the Excel file. So always keep in mind when you do this, when you basically link the two documents, always keep them in one folder. Don't split them. Always keep them in one folder. Remember this rule of thumb, and always save this folder into any drive other than the C drive, because in C drive you have your software saved. So if anything happens to your machine, your main data, the data on which you have worked, will also be erased with that, and you will get in trouble. So coming back to my topic, so this is the Word document, and I will basically write a few lines here. Report on annual purchases for home inventory. Okay, colon, and I will basically bold it, Shift and I'm using the short keys, and Control Shift dot full stop. Yes, I'm using it, and Control B and Control I. See, and now here, after writing few lines, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines, enter, enter, enter. Now you want to insert table here. So go back to the Excel, and it would be live table. Whatever you change here, it would be changed there automatically. So that's what you need. That table should be, and this is the right way, the table should be in Excel and should be updated in Excel, because there the calculations, you can do so many enormous calculation, pivoting, filters in Excel. So tables should always be there in Excel, and paste it in Word later on as report. So I have copied it with Control C, Alt Tab. Through Alt Tab I have you can move between two files, Alt plus Tab. So these are the two ways the files are open. So Alt Tab, I have moved to Word file. So I have clicked right mouse button. There are options for paste. So there are two options. One is link and keep source formatting, and the other one is a link and use destination styles. And with this, you can see that the background is white. The background is white. Background to table is white. You don't need that. You need the formatting of the main formatting, source formatting. You want to keep the source formatting. So please use this, the third one. Okay, I will press OK. See, and to adjust the table, I will press a delete here so that the table would come on the first page. And see, yes. And to give you a little bit more about tables, I will again basically use a simple, see, keep source for formatting. It is not linked. This table is not linked. So I am making two copies. One is with the linked option and the other one is without the link option, just a source formatting. Okay. So now we have two tables. This is just for your understanding. With the link, this one is with the link. You can see that when I move on this table, the values automatically gets highlighted. And when I move to the second table, no. Sorry, my throat get a little bit dried. Okay. And if I click on this table without the source formatting, yes, right click, you can see there is an option appearing auto fit. And if you click auto fit to contents, it has auto fitted itself into this worksheet. See, on this page, on this word page, it has automatically fitted itself. But if you go on this one, the table with the link, the option won't appear. So keep this in mind. See, so if the word has done, though again I would request the MS Office team to work on this thing and to resolve it. But if they have done so much, so you can you may please do a little bit manual work, and you can do that. Just pick the table from here. See, the option is appearing here. The option is appearing here. The option to adjust the cell. Just pick the table to the left. See, and now though it seems adjusted, but still you want a little bit of space from right and left. So go on the table and try to find this. So table is little bit out of the boundaries. So bring it back. See, and similarly on the right hand side, bring it back to the left side. See, so now it has been perfectly adjusted into the Word page. See, now the magic starts. If you basically you want to go back to your Excel file, and if you change the meat quantity, the quantity is 300, cost per unit is 2400 kgs, and this and expenditure is 720,000. In Urdu or Hindi you can say 7,20,000. See, so if you change the value here in C2, that is a quantity to 500, and see this 500, and the expenditure has been updated to 1.2 million, or Urdu or Hindi that will be 12 lakh. So go back to your and update link. You need to press update link. See, with update link it has been updated 500, and this is 1.2 million. While on simple paste you can't do that. See, There's no option. You right click on that. No option for updation. So that's the difference between the two. It's a very beautiful option. Like every time you open this file, the same option of updation would appear, and you need to simply check that, click that, update it, and it would update it. And you can simply write two lines: the annual, the summary of annual purchases is given below for further analysis. And please unbold it, underline, and make it to 12, the font. So this is how you can basically create a very beautiful report, and you don't need to copy again and again your table from Excel. You don't need to edit it again and again and again. You have your report, the report you would work on regularly, continuously, annually. So you already have all the format set for you. You can also help your buddies who are coming after you, your colleagues, so they will also not get worried, and they will have a very beautiful format in their hands. And whenever you change the values there, say I will change the quantities here, the quantities of pamper for children from 2500 to, say, the children have increased, and they are basically the quantity of pampers demand has also increased. So the value changed in D6. In G6 is 1.26 million, or in Urdu or Hindi you can say 12 lakh 60,000. So go back to your Word document and Pampers for Children, click right, update link, again update link, and see 3,500, and here is 12 1.260 or 12 lakh 60,000. So that's my today's session, fellows. And kindly, if you like it, if you find it valuable, then please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your other colleagues so that they also get valuable information. And I'm very thankful for you to watch.